How do you connect with your loved ones? Conversations, phone calls, WhatsApp, right? Well, what if you could receive a text from God? In Sri Satya Sai Senior Boys Hostel, students have developed a unique way to connect and receive messages from Him, from their loving Lord. The Chit Box. Students ask for His guidance with a sincere heart and pick a chit from a collection of His messages. Whether it is a chit that says, "I love you Bangaru," or a chit which says, "Swami doesn't like this," it is ultimately He who is loving and chiding us through these chits. To experience and to receive what He has to say to His Bangarus, let us venture on a beautiful journey showcasing His omniscience.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, నా పిల్లల యొక్క పరిస్థితి నాకు తెలుసు, కానీ మరొకరు తెలియదు. నేను ఎప్పుడూ మీ వెంటనే జంటనే ఇంటనే ఉంటుంటాను.
Bhagavan is always with you, in you, around you, above you.
నా సీటు ఇక్కడ కాదు.
Bhagavan's seat is not here.
నా సీటు మీ యొక్క హృదయమే.
Bhagavan's chair is your heart.
ఏ పని చేసినా కూడా ఇది భగవత్ కార్యంగా భావించండి.
Whatever you may do, good work, take it as God's work.